Hello, I am Papa Scott and welcome to Featherhawk Racing Channel. Today we are going to continue taking the Jeep apart. It has a valve seat come loose on this head. It's a 4.7. Last week we got harnesses, hoses, lots of stuff undone. So we're going to get right on that. Alright, we got the intake manifold off of her. There is the intake manifold with the throttle body on it. Everything looks good on it, so won't have no problems there. And I got her jacked up trying to get the wiring harness off of the crank sensor, which is of course by the oil pan. Get that loose and we should be able to get the valve cover off of it. All right, we'll see you next time.